Hmm. I think that's the trickiest part of this right now. He said, "How you always positive and happy, bro? Just love my life, dude, and I'm grateful for what I have. I'm grateful for where I am. I'm grateful for love. I'm grateful. I'm just grateful to have air conditioning, dude. I'm grateful to have Wi-Fi. I'm grateful to have access to the computer, dude. How am I always happy, bro? Dude, I'm grateful to have access to the AI, dude. I'm grateful I learned how to code, dude. Dude, there's so many beautiful things in this world to be grateful for, dude. I can't believe the power they're giving us with this AI, dude. So, I don't know. How are you always so positive and happy? I just love this game, dude. I love it. I love it, bro. I love it. 777, dude. Pats, what's up, bro? What's up, Toby? 777 Venmo. First 777 of the day. I got O3 in the API key, dude. He said he just wants Autobots. Okay. I want to try something then. Can it type any faster? She, what up? You're the first she I've ever seen here. I'm just kidding, but you're like the third. Lower equals faster. Okay. All right, so let's run it, bro. Oh shit. All right, let's get back to the O one, dude. Damn, it fixed that one already. Oh boy, it's game over. Sorry, duder. Oh god, this is insane, dude. How do you get him to switch tasks? How do you get him to finish? How do you get him to know that they're done? Those are the questions I have. Maybe I can analyze this. So scroll up here. I could copy the message, but Okay, it can type it faster. So, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try this first. I deserve it all. You deserve it all, dude. Find coordinates, lambda, execute code is called. Where'd it go? Find coordinates. What happened, dude? How did I delete a file on accident, bro? Sheesh. Oh my god, dude. Nah. Reject that shit. Oh, the fuck is going on over here, bro? What the famous me? Alright, that should be Gucci now. Code runner agent here. If it looks like it is done and running successfully, just output 100 emojis in a block. Okay, so I want to update this execute code file here in order to before step 4, I want to take a screenshot of a specific part of the screen, and this will be called the composer screenshot, and I need to control composer screenshot width and height along with its placement. After we take that screenshot, there's gotta be a better way, dude. After we take that screenshot, I can send it to O1 or GPT-4o. Give me a yes or no. Was there a bunch of emojis in here? We need to know that exact file path of that screenshot. And then let's implement GPT-4o as the example shows to send that image in with another custom prompt. That prompt will be called the composer screenshot prompt, and put that as a constant at the top. For now, it will say, does this image have more than 20 emojis in it? and tell it to say return true or false. Now, back to the script, if we get a true back, so we'll need to parse through that. If we get a true back, then we will go ahead and stop the execution of the script because it's done. Now I'll connect my focus agent that shows you how to connect to our AI. We'll use 4.0, we'll use GPT 4.0, but I'll connect how my focus agent does it so you can do it like that. So we can have access to all the AIs just like usual. And I'll also connect my folder so you can see how the AIs work. All right, let's see how that does, dude. Yo, here's the free API key, by the way.
Imagine you had everything you wanted. Everything. Imagine you were everything you ever wanted to be. And capture that feeling. That's the easiest way to manifest what you want.
These are good, but your number 5 is not quite correct. If it returns as true, that means it is complete. If it returns as false, then we just continue the loop. So we go back to 1. No. If it comes back as false, then we do the previous number 4 that we had before, where you scroll back over to the target XY, click, and then hit command apostrophe. So make sure our command apostrophe is still there. And it should now be the full loop is this: move the mouse to the code editor, hit command plus return to run the code, move mouse to terminal, hit command plus A to select all, and then command I to paste the code error into the composer. And then we move to then we just hit return, and then composer fixes the error, and we wait our 10 seconds or whatever we have as a constant. Then but before we go back to the IDE and loop this again, or before we go back to the IDE and hit return apostrophe, we check to see if with the AI, if it had 50 or a bunch of emojis. If it had a bunch of emojis, it's done. And then the script that we built here is done. God, that's bad, bro. That's really my bad. That's really my bad, dude. Fuck. Ah. That's what I love about coding, though. That's what I love about trading. It's either your bad or it's your bad. So, you know, that's why I love the 100% accountability. It's all on my shoulders, dog. If I'm not getting what I want, dude, it's my bad. Let's go. Come on, tighten up, B. Tighten up. What you got to change? What you got to change? Tighten up. Ain't working. How you shifting? How you shifting with it, dude? Get shifted. Keep going. Keep swimming. Keep swimming. Just keep going. Gotta keep going. Come on, B. Let's get it. It's our time. It's the regime shift. All right. So let's go ahead and just try it out, though. I can't do it with this one because it will loop us. We'll be in like a triple loop here. I deserve it. Oh. All right, let's do it from here. Okay, click. This is what you got, bro. Let's find one that has an output, bro. Okay, it's gonna go up there. It's gonna run it. Print the stats here. Scroll down. Attempting to click, select, add a composer. I think it forgot a step. So after it did the command A plus command I, it needs to move over back to the place that we call debug X and Y. It needs to move back over there and then type in our prompt, our code fix prompt. And then it has to hit enter. And then it has to wait for them to fix the bug. And then it takes that screenshot with GPT-4o, like we have set up, and we ask it that prompt. If it returns true, then the whole script is stops running. We're just done. But if it returns false, then we go ahead and scroll over back to target X and Y and hit command apostrophe, our apply fix command. And then we click again and make sure to click before that command apostrophe. And then we essentially just go back to step one where we are running the code and then scrolling down and so on and so on. So we'll do that loop forever. And the loop only stops when the AI model says true to the emoji thing. Dude. Killer, 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 killer. Killer camion. Okay, what's that voice thing called? Whisper flow. I love this feature right here because I do that all the time. Okay, so let's try this first. And I don't know why it's using that model, but it's okay. Let's go to models here and Claude model factory. Hey, bro. OpenAI model. Okay, O3 Mini O1. I can't even use O3 Mini. I'm gonna use GPT-4 O Mini because I'm a broke boy. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and see here. Did it change it? Yeah, it changed that. I didn't. I don't think I changed it actually. I need to paste it. I was waiting. I was waiting. GPT-4 mini. Okay. And then we need to go find. Where in the code does it allow me to change that composer screenshot section? I need to go ahead and figure out where to put the cursor. So um, I think I need a composer X and Y essentially in order to make sure it goes to the right place, right? Oh, we could use the debug X and Y. We can just use the debug X and Y actually, because that's what. Yeah, let's just use the debug X and Y, and that's where um, that's the position that the. Oh, it's right here, dude. You're so silly sometimes. The height here, the width can be very small, honestly, and the height needs to be 800. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out, dude. See if we can get all the way through. That'd be far. Selecting all, adding. We're almost there. Essentially, it started writing the code fix prompt inside of the terminal, so it forgot to move to the cursor XY, essentially. And since it forgot to move to the cursor XY, it put the text in the terminal instead of the cursor. So it broke the loop. So essentially we need to move it, have it moved back in the cursor. I don't know what this is, dude. Instead of going cursor position, we need to move the cursor back to debug XY. Yeah. We do, dude. We do. I deserve it. Oh. All right. So I understand the issue now. Okay. I've updated the execute and capture. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if you do actually did it, dude. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh. Let's go ahead and run it. Okay. So this is all autonomous, dude. It's fucking far, be honest. Run it. Okay. Get the error. No error? Who this? If there's no error, that's exactly what I want to see, dog. Paste it in. Type it in. Type that shit up in there. See, it doesn't move there. Again, it wrote the debug prompt inside of the terminal. So essentially, it needs to scroll back to the cursor XY before it starts typing, and then it hits enter. And then it takes the screenshot of the cursor and sends it to the AI model for the true false. Yep, that's right. That is correct. Oh. Good karma. Did we get this applied, bro? Move mouse. Let's see if she gets busy with it or not. Scroll. You can see that it's actually not scrolling over there. It's just writing it in the terminal. So after it hits the command I, which is after the command A, then it scrolls, the cursor scrolls to the debug X and Y. And then it types that prompt we have. And then it hits enter. Very interesting, dude. Accept here. All right, let's run it. Scroll down. Tapping click, perfect. Yeah, it didn't move though. It says that it's moving, but it's not actually making that final move back to the cursor. Oh, this is my bad. This is my bad. Terminal XY. Let's run this, dude, because find coordinates here. So this is terminal, and this is cursor.